get that to a manageable level. This is Polyphia by Crush. And after this, we'll loop into the Fallout soundtrack and Rain World soundtrack. But anyway. Oh, welcome back. Let's see. So Saturday, I had some exciting stuff that I did off stream. I'll show you that. So I said I was going to make a blending animation so that the character would look in a given direction. So let's go to this new little state machine. And you're watching, this is going to blow your mind. She can look in different directions. And I prefer doing it this way over like having like the head blended. One, because the head blending is sort of like a finicky, like it's kind of finicky, I feel, to have like blended values in here. And I like having the feet and everything move as well. Like she's actually like sort of strafing in the direction. But this is also was done incorrectly from what I wanted, because if you remember, whenever it was Thursday, Wednesday, whatever day that I was actually working on this, what I actually wanted was kind of the opposite of this, where I wanted the character to like strafe in this direction but still look forward, because what I was intending to do was in this room, I was going to have it so that no matter what way the character moved in this orchestrator, and no matter what, like, she would, like, look in the appropriate angle and, like, walk appropriately based on, like, the way that the direction she was moving and the direction she was oriented. I wound up not doing that. Instead, what I did was I just rotated the character to match this. And it looks kind of janky, especially there, because I think I do actually need a little bit of, like, well, I would need a little bit of leaning. And it also looks a little bit janky because the entire point of that was because I wanted it so that when the character was, looking forward and then could just sit backward instead of this awkward sort of rotation there. And also, I don't know why it, there's some, there's awkward things in here, but let's go to the proof of concept and see how it looks. Because one of the nice things is that this, this look tracking, because it's a combination of the body and the eyes, it looks very smooth. Well, the actual look tracking itself. A lot of the other parts of this currently don't look very good, but it looks better than it used to because the legs aren't like clipping through the dress and all that. So let's do like, I don't know, simple dress, ponytail so that we can see her big old eyes, eyes so that we can see her big old eyes. Yeah, so it's kind of jank, but good enough. Oh yeah, that's something that I need to fix. And I don't know how I broke it. Essentially, so this illusory room, so here, it's this set visual position. So this position is no longer correct. So let's see what this looks like. So if I do T, is this? Okay, so I think I understand. Because basically, there was a bug where the player would only sit on the chair properly if it was oriented in a certain way. And I discovered that bug because there were some rooms where it wasn't oriented that particular way. And it turned out that was because there's like a global transform. But basically, like, because you can have multiple of these. There are multiple of these throughout the world. I think these actually all turn visible at the same time, but oh well. So originally it was getting the players transform. So I don't know why. I don't know what broke it. Alright, so let's activate this. So yeah, it used to be that she would sit backwards on this chair because of the bug. And actually, you know what? I'm going to go goodbye. Yeah, so I think today what I'm going to do is finish modeling and texturing this thing. Okay, interesting. I see that she has gone the wrong way. Hmm. No, okay. So it is this way. But then why isn't it... Like, what if I do, like... plus vector 3 dot up times 12 or 10 or something. So like this should just shoot the player upward if that's working at all. Transform in vector 3 in... Ah, okay. I need here. Huh? Did it? What am I looking for? What did I do? Huh? Did I manage to get a parenthesis down a line? Interesting. Nope. See, hang on, I'm gonna stop my little camera app. Use less power. Okay, so we're at least in the right position, but we are still behind it. We're still behind it. So what if I did 10 here? So is it just... It might just be... What's it... Again? I've mentioned before, a lot of text editors nowadays have this weird thing where they will refuse to type an end parenthesis if it's next to another end parenthesis. Okay, so this is the wrong way. But it feels like it's always the wrong way. Okay, so now we get this. So what if I did this? Okay, we're getting closer. I'm pretty sure this is exactly the same code that I had before, though. I don't get it. That's literally, like, before the stream, or when I was working off stream, I had the negative sign. I tried this. This worked, or this didn't work. It was, like, intersecting. So I think... Oh, I think I know what it is. Oh, might be. Hang on. Let's get this... Oh. Okay, thank you, mouse. I need to get a new UV or USB hub because my current one is not working. But okay. Let's activate this. Interesting. Interesting. Set virtual position. Global transform. Translated. Global transform basis. Neither of these are local. Is it because this works wrong? No. That doesn't do that. So is the chair... The chair should have, like, its global bases should move. Okay, let's do another. Get that out of here. Let's try one that's at like a 45-degree angle this way or something. So like that position is correct. And then this position is not correct. It seems to, well, I'm off and to the right of it. Like, if we look down, I would have suspected that I'd be here. Like, because that's where you are here. And in this one, that's where you are. Yeah, I'm behind it now. I don't understand. I just don't understand what it means. So this is our position. So it's the global transform. Translated. What if I, instead of doing that, what if I did... Oh, I just realized. It's because it's relative to the basis. So what I can do is just... Okay, yeah, this was my fault. Because I don't need the global basis. I just need the... It's translated relative, or using the basis. Like, that vertex is multiplied by the basis, and then it's applied. So it, like, doubles the rotation, essentially, if I did it the way that I was doing it. So let's get like this one. Yeah. Okay. So I've now fixed my wonderful little bug. So now we should actually start doing things. So I think today I'm going to finish up this town, or at least start working on it. Because if we go to about 2 weeks ago, I was working on, well, actually, I think I did some work recently. I basically just gave up and got sick of it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to start making textures for these things. Which I do not... Well, whatever, I gotta do it. Let's do... Oh yeah, I forgot. The other thing I was doing yesterday was reorganizing some stuff, because I'm gonna test... I was considering testing out a new LOD system, but I need to do the won't ship stuff first. Oh wait, wrong thing. I forgot. All of our train set stuff is not in here. It's in the, here. So for now, what I'm going to do, let's do texture paint, and let's do a new image. So how do I control which texture I'm rendering to? I mean, I guess I can just do... like, take your time, Blender. Image texture. This one. And then I don't need to worry about that for now. Let's see, because I'm going to try... Let's get this done first, so... do like red. Red. Oh. I'm going to have just little... This is basically just going to be my placeholder indicator thing. Oh wait, hang on, I can go to like... There we go. Oh, that's not bad. Let's see, I could do with some things flipped around, like... Otherwise, this is okay. Okay, now let's get the... That's not what I want. Texture paint and edit mode. So let's get this frame. And we'll do like a yellow for this. I'll keep the windows, well, I'll make the windows like gray or something. Let's do white for this one. I like very light gray, and then for this one, like a blue. So now I have all the resources that I need to do something cool with this. What if I... Hang on, I'm going to make this actually all its own thing. Yeah, that seems better. Though that is definitely making me think... Oh wait, let's do UV editor. Ah, well, I'll just leave that as that is. Okay, there we go. Much better. Ah, I see. There's a little bit of UV bleeding there. But what I could do... Also, I don't need this to be there. I can just have this, like... Yeah, like, there's no need for these to be so close together. And that does admittedly mean... a lot of funky stuff here. But okay, that should reduce the bleed over. Wait, I was gonna make these different. Interesting. This was not supposed to move. I'll say that's good enough. Oh wait, what is these? What are those? What is this? Oh, the doors. Okay. Okay, let's do no, something different. Also, now that I'm here, how do I keep pressing the button to fill things? I think it's like Z. I think they somehow made it Z, which is an interesting decision if that's the case. No, it's not Z. X. And also this has the same fun little behavior where if you undo right after switching tools, you also undo switching the tools. Wait, hang on. No, I think it's just if you undo, it goes to fill. Like, it undoes switching no matter how many times I've used the paintbrush, which is questionable. Okay, but whatever. Now we have some things, we have some lovely stuff. So let's save this image. Where do I want to be? I guess I'll be here. So this was successful albedo. Let's do maximum compression. And we'll export our UVs because I can't trust myself to actually know where these are. Oh. Take your time, Krita. I was actually being sarcastic, Krita. Don't take your time. Okay. So we need project. GLB environment train set city. And I also need assets environment train set city. This. So some of these Actually, now that I think about it, this is not going to be RGB. This is going to be RGBA because there's actually going to be some of these oh. Right, okay. Some of these are going to be mostly transparent. In fact, all of these red ones. So let's just get that in here now. Let's see if my tablet works. Look at that. Wonderful. Hmm. So what was blue? Blue was the, like, floor of this thing. So I guess that'll be like a dark gray. So let's just get that in here. You know, we're doing a bunch of fancy stuff today. I think maybe just some kind of tan color for the oh wait, hang on, let's get that. Oh, wait. Now let's get the tan color for these are the frames of the windows. These are the frames of the doors, which will be the same. Wait, hang on. And these are going to be the windows themselves. So let's do like I know what to do. I'm going to put some fake reflections into this thing. Let's get just a simple, like, well, I should have remembered where the. Oh, wait, no. I have this. This will tell me exactly what I need. Maybe. I know. If I do. That. And I'm pretty sure both of these were going up the same direction. So I'm going to try just making something similar to this. Oh, wait, I have to do this for every single window, don't I? Wait, no. There aren't that many windows here. Wait, there is this one, though, that I forgot, I think. Yeah, that is a window. Oh wait, I don't even have the chat window open, I just realized. Okay, there we are. It's good form to ignore chat for the first 40 minutes of a stream. So let's try more of like this. Oop. So something I want to do. Let's see. So these are the doors. So what I'll do for now is I'll just Oh, thanks. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I typically have a noise pattern. And I'd like that to also be here. And typically it's darker. Oh, yeah, and I can just grab these as wide as I want, except for this one, which actually... I'm almost certain these actually just straight up completely overlap. Ah, well. I don't think this is going to be multiplied. This will just be normal for now. So what I'll do is my random noise trick again. But this time I'll do it slightly differently. Because usually I do a multiply filter, but I want this to also preserve it in these transparent areas, because these will be like dynamically chosen colors. And I'd like them to also be interesting looking. And I'd like the windows to not have the noise, because it implies like a rough surface. I mean, it already kind of just works like this, but I'll do let's do like lower lightness, lower saturation. Actually, it feels like slightly lighter than what I had. Actually gives me a better result, because I actually care about the contrast more than the actual lightness. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, I know what I need to do. Close this. Okay, so there is some texture bleeding still. But at least the windows have some subtle stuff. And now what I can do, we can change the color here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a script on this. Entity is like visual or something, because this will just be like random color. Oh, I already have random color. I actually need a duplicate of this. Because I remember that I was gonna make it so that things don't have so many like startup scripts. So what it's gonna be is well, I have a better idea. Let's add this to a group. It'll be like grain color random. So then what I can do is I can get an editor script that'll randomly select the colors here. So let's go to 049. So let's just do like, this is going to be like random effect or something. So it'll be, that's what I could do. Or I could do so I'm going to do color dot from HSV. I think I can do this. Yeah, I can. Okay. And we're going to do randef, randef, randef. So now what I can do, let's remove that. Oh, dot instance. Okay, so now if I need this back... excuse me. Okay, so let's try this. Oh yeah, I also need this to be... So this will be grain, color, random. Oh, and also I need this to be local for scene, for each scene. So that way each of these can have its own color. And eventually what I would like to do is have this be like geometry stuff. Or multi-mesh instancing. So yeah, we can see all these little mint green carts. What I can do is we can go to random replace, run this. And all of these are different colors now. And these will stay different colors. And I don't need to have a script that runs on these. Because I've been getting longer and longer startup times, in large part because each of these, or like a bunch of nodes were running their own like scripts. Every time they started up for like random visuals. Oh yeah, it was here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have that music, which I don't like very much. I should do like a simple drone or something. I see that it has not... Oh wait, no, okay. Wait, is it consistent or did it stay green? Okay, it did stay green, actually. So I think I may need to make them editable children. Well, I guess what I could do instead is I could just have the script execute. So what I'm going to do, actually... Let's make this. So this is our chunk. Well, let's do, like... Let's rename this to Train City. Well, no, I want this to be persistent, actually. Yeah, I think I'm just going to make... all of these should have editable children. Oh, yuck. Can I set editable children here? Because I don't want to have to go through hundreds of these. Godot script editable children. What is this get instance thing? Oh. Okay. So what is this get scene, whatever that was, placeholder thing? Hmm. Hmm. This is an interesting thing. Oh, but it's it doesn't have a transform. Hmm. Well, okay, so I don't think that's going to be useful. Okay, so I think I just need to go through each of these and like do that. All right, so now we have escape the animation mines, but not the manually having to edit every single node one at a time mines. Oh, and now that I think about it, I may reduce the saturation for these so that they're generally pretty low saturation. And I could control like the hue and stuff like that with like different curves. Because I can do a lot of stuff with these what have yous. Or with these editor scripts, because they don't have to run in real time or quickly or anything like that. So I'll probably also sample from a gradient instead of doing this, so that way, or like, you know, fully random hue, saturation, and value. Alright, I guess this didn't take as long as I was expecting it to. We're like halfway there. Though I guess this isn't really like... Well, I guess it is. Like, I wouldn't ship the game with, like, all these boxcars being the same placeholder texture. Because at the very least, I can make them a little bit more diverse. Oh wait, I just realized this actually isn't like halfway through, because what's happening is these are increasing the amount of space here, because that's what I was using as like a progress bar, but that would not be accurate. Well, it'll eventually get done. It's not like there's being more nodes added. You know, I probably should have just started with the box house full. Because those are the only... Yeah, so I'm just gonna do these ones for now. So yeah, let's just run the colorize again. Hmm. No, so I'm gonna do a... So we're gonna do hue. That's gonna be fine for everything. Saturation is gonna be times range 0.5 to 1.0. Oh. And then this one is going to be grand range 0.25 time or 1.0. So that way it doesn't get too like close to black. Yeah, now they're a little too pastel for me. I'll figure that out soon. But let's make sure that this actually applies. Look at that. It does. Okay, so now we have a little bit more color here, and eventually I can actually, like, fix all these seams. Actually, now that I think about it, I should save this as a creative file as well. This will go in assets. Okay, so what we need is see colors here. So I think those were the things. Maybe this one as well. Those are kind of odd. Oh well. Let's get all of that out of here. Oh, I see. And these are from UV wrapping. Now I get to do this song and dance every time I want to save a texture. Okay, but let's see how this looks. Maybe it'll look a little bit better. I mean, there's no, like, red and blue anymore. There's, like, the gray and stuff. Ah, well, good enough. And now that I think about it, I think having white as the roofs would be a smart idea. Or, like, a light gray. Because that means that, like... Because that would be, like, they painted them white to keep the sun off of them. Which makes sense, because the sun would be hot on these, you know, boxcars. But okay. Good start with this. Hopefully that didn't save the image. Okay, good. Okay, so that was one singular thing. Wait, I forgot. I'm just gonna make these, well, I guess I could make these... I guess I could keep these at 1024. And eventually I'll change the color of the door to something else. Okay. Oh, let's just do box house passenger albedo. So same thing here. Get this in. Get our arrows pointing upward. Even though I'm pretty sure I don't actually do anything with these. I mean, I might... Well... I don't care that much. Let's just ignore those for now. Oh, okay, these are basically the same color. Well, they shouldn't be, though. I'll get these like a darker brown or something. For now. And let's for now get these to be like just teal or something. And we got these ones. I guess this will be. So these will all be a beautiful yellow. And I'm glad to see that they are going to cause massive issues with UV bleeding. Oh, that was the issue. So that was why those were colored wrong. I accidentally selected them. Okay. This is, hang on. I'm gonna do... Yeah, I should have got these more, like, room. I wish Blender's automatic UV generator did that. Because it's like, it's not very convenient. Oh well, I'm just gonna ignore the problem for now. Let's get my windows. This will be a lovely dark grayish purple. And our doors. Nope. Will be this, and they'll have the Alright, let's also do UV editing. Whatever. Okay. So I need passenger UV layouts. We need so I'm gonna put this. Man, I wish I didn't. I wish I could have just like. I should just bookmark these two folders. Hang on. I'm gonna go to. Oh wait, no, but then I'll have to. Oh well. Let's go to the environment, train, city. See if I can pin this. Oh, it's already here. Wait, no. God damn it. Okay. So first things first, let's get rid of all this stuff. Wrong thing selected. I'll just do that. That should probably work. Unless there's something here. That seems fine as long as I do this. Yeah, it does feel like Blender sort of does these wrong by default, where you know, because it UV unwraps with absolutely no margins between the things whatsoever. But then if you paint, it automatically adds margins by default. Oh. I need a pixel art brush. This one. Now I actually have some control. Okay, so let's get what the hell is this? We need like one more pixel. Also, I forgot. So, first things first. Noise. And we'll lower the saturation. And we'll increase the brightness slightly. For now, what I'm going to do, it's going to look very cool. Going to be just gray. And in fact, I'll do that same color here. In fact, I'll probably even do it for these. I'll be very creative. Because eventually what I could do is have like rust and corrosion and things like that in small amounts. And this will also have problems with blending. And for now, I'm not even gonna... Well, actually, I should bother with the... getting the windows to have no noise. Oh, wait, I forgot to paint on the windows as well. So this one goes this way. This one also goes this way. And now we're in the Rain World soundtrack. The Fallout soundtrack has ended. Let's get these to, like, match here. So. This also goes up. This one goes right. Okay, so all of these are now good. So let's just see how this looks. Unfortunately, most of the houses are actually just variants of this, or have this same name and different numbers. Well, this isn't bad. Oh, I just realized. Okay, so the reason the editable children... I was wondering why only the meshes were showing up. It's because it's still applying the search. Like, now it shows all of it. But okay. So we need a main spatial. This will be local to scene as always. This will be train color random. This doesn't seem quite right. But why doesn't it seem quite right? Oh, this... what? I guess it wasn't... Okay, there we go. That looks right. Now let's go to 049 again. Got more of them. Actually, let's just do randef times randef here. So it should give us substantially lower hue or saturation on average. And then the value never gets super low. Okay, let's run this. See how it looks. They're a little saturated still, I'd say. Ah, well, it's kind of neat. But okay, I'm going to fill in... I'm going to play around a little bit more. It's my stream. I get to do what I want. I pressed the wrong button. Because I think I'm still a little worn down from all the modeling and animation. There we go. I shouldn't dawdle too much, but I'll see how the noise looks. Or if there's any, like, obvious seams. There are. Like, that seems to be... And that one. And I think soon I'll have also just some actual, like, box cars. For, like, maintenance areas or whatever. But for now, that's good. Okay. Because I shouldn't dawdle too much with those. So let's go, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to learn from my mistakes. Slightly scale these down. Oh yeah, these are all in the same place. This will be box, house, passenger 2, albedo. Man, these ones are completely unique because they don't have windows that are inset. They have windows that poke out a little bit, which honestly is probably the right way to do it. I'll keep it like that. That's fine. Black in there. And I'm going to say... Oh. This should be here. This should be... This will be like a dark blue again. And this will be... I'll do just this color for now, a placeholder color. Weird, why does undoing here not cause issues? Okay, so this one's upside down. This one is also upside down, that's a-okay. And this one goes sideways. I don't care for that, hang on. Because, Because that means that there's a lot more pixels going this way. So I'm going to say UV editor. Okay, so now the pixels are actually distributed relatively evenly. And upside down. Hang on. Okay. Good enough for me. So one of these two. This one. Alright, let's just get all... Let's quickly do that. This doesn't do a whole lot, changing the saturation, because it's very subtle anyway. Oh, wait, no. This is supposed to be a create an image. See, local to scene. No subsurface scattering. Uh, all right, these need to be. Okay, so this one also has rain, color, random. There's way too many, like, really, really saturated things still. What is that about? Because I don't want to completely eliminate it, but I want to mostly eliminate really saturated things. And honestly, let's get this let's just get the saturation as a, or value to just run the full gamut as well. What exactly do I want for saturation? You know, I think I might just do randef times like 0.75 or something. You know, so they're never super, super bright. Yeah, that seems like it'll be better. Okay, and soon I'll fix the, or remove, let's just add like, do I have like textures in here as part of my thing? Yeah, well. Let's get these, so I'm gonna do, a brilliant thing right there. Actually, I wonder, why would it look if I just did that? Let's make sure, oh, hang on. None of these have exports. Why did none of these, oh wait, no, okay. Oh yeah, I see. Because it's transparent, because it opened the thing. Okay. So for some reason, none of these have their exports, or their exports for some reason. So this will be box, house, passenger 3, albedo. Oh wait, hang on. Just a little bit of space between everything. Let's do a light gray, so I have to do less work when I bring this in. And a gray. Oh, I see. These are simply gonna... Well, are these always gonna be the opposite direction then? Like, are they always gonna be... I'll have to double check with the, whatever it was. Because I think it's that... So if this one's go up... Okay, so these do go... Okay, these all go up. Okay. I guess this is the right place for this. And then let's get a... Only one window in this thing. It's kind of fortunate for them. Right, let's get this. Very cool. You know, I could just grab this. Like, so what if these all use the same thing, or the same noise? Also, I'm going to export this, or save this as a creative file as well. Green color random. Get our main spatial. It'll basically work. Let's close all of these to make sure that this all works, actually. Look at this, a colorful little thing with a lot of white buildings for some reason. I don't know why so many are bright white. I guess maybe I could do the same thing with the values, where I do like, because maybe we do need like rand range. Well, rand f times like 0.8 or something. Wait, one of these has a... Hang on. Ah, okay, passenger 2. And someday these will even be like properly textured. But okay, so that leaves us... Some of these are like... Yeah, okay. That was a good idea to do that. I wonder what I put my title of my stream as. The texture farms will be what this is called. You know, what if I just didn't bother? And I just like... Get this pretty light gray. Then we've got these. To be a dark purple. And I'm even going to do... My tablet will eventually get here. Eventually. There it is. Oh, interesting. I see a fascinating twist to this, which is that I have this here. Hang on. So what I need is hmm. How do I paint? How do I select the paint tool in Blender's texture paint mode? I would prefer these were this way, so that way I can make one gradient here and one gradient here. And these ones, I don't really care, so they can both be upside down, and they're different sizes. They're dramatically different heights, which is very, dumb. Someday I'll figure out that I can't switch tools by pressing tab. Oh wait, I need to, there we go. And I assume... Okay, so this actually does have its stuff exported properly. Okay, and I'll have to figure out how to, well, whatever. Wait, we need to also... I forgot. We need to get this out of here. So there's actually... Oh wait, now that I'm thinking about it. That's actually... Hang on. Okay, so this is good otherwise. Does feel like it kind of repeats, but maybe that's just an artifact of whatever it's doing. Okay, so that one's good. And so I also need to do the same thing here. So we won't actually be able to, what have you, do that in the future, like copy and paste it, because each one is different. Oh, hi. I haven't actually been paying attention to the chat. Welcome to the stream. See, so we don't actually need any of this, but what I'll do is, so we can delete this. Whoop. Okay. So this is going to be box house short. Oh wait, I need the patio to also be textured. I guess it doesn't need the random color. Where is the patio, though? Ah, okay. Yeah, so this could be improved a little bit. Let's unwrap this. I wish I'd unwrapped it with the other thing, but that's okay. What is this? Hang on. Ah, okay. And that's because this here... Oh. And that blends a little bit better. But I'll do like, it's like, what is this? Oh, okay. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let's scale all of this up. And I might just have this have like a placeholder material for now. In fact, I almost certainly will. Let's try and fit these in. I think if I did it like, yeah, if I did it like this, I could get these. Let's just scale these down a little bit more. Yeah, now we should have plenty of space. So yeah, eventually I'll get those looking good. But okay, so our short thing. What we need is, this is going to be in a group. Grain, color, random. And it's going to be main spatial. Local to scene. None of this. With this. And then this little thing. Let's have like, for now I'm just going to use this one, even though it's going to be obviously not what I want. I'm seeing, oh, okay, that's because I scaled down the UV maps and I haven't applied it yet. So if I close all tabs, we'll now have a bunch of white houses. Let's go to this. So we have 3 houses left. This one looks kind of terrible. Like, why did I do this here? Like, I could have easily, like, done that. And then, like, let's do, like, why did this? Okay, there we go. Oh, I see. This doesn't, Yeah, do I want... I guess that's fine. Hmm. You know, it feels like I could have just done this again. Hang on. And then, like... I guess that's fine. Okay, let's unwrap this again. Not quite that badly, though. Yeah, actually, I think... Let's clear that. Add a little bit of margin between all the pieces. And then, box house side mount veto. Let's do a lovely gray. A lovely purple. I don't care. That's good enough. Then our lovely, like, teal color. other noise. This down here. Then and let's save this as a create a file. My back hurts. Okay, so box, house, side. Oh, get our main spatial. It'll be local, no subsurface. Lovely texture. Beautiful. And then we do, right, add this to the group. And then we also do, here, we make all of the children of these editable. A couple of these have like straight up perfectly white roofs. Yeah. Let's go through. Which one of these do I want? I guess this one. Well. Let's go a little bit darker. Good. This one seems a little bit... that's fine. Oh, it's because this one is still messed up, so let's close all these. Okay, so we only have a couple more of these left. So let's just... I'm just going to power through them. So this has the exact same issue as this did, which is that there's no reason whatsoever for me to have done it like this. Like, I could just do, like, what I can do is just cut this and like here. Nope, like that's much more sensible. But okay, now let's go into textures paint. Did I remember to actually... Oh, wait, no, I'm sure I did. Yeah, because the UV maps are... No, they aren't edited properly. Right, I forgot. This one is all screwed up because I do not know why the export settings didn't save here. But oh well. Placeholder. This is box, house, side 2, albedo. Oh wait, hang on. First I need to, more importantly, first let's actually like redo this UV layout. Then we can do this to give it a little bit of padding. Then we can start. You know, I'll say this one has, this wall will also have this color. And you know what? I'll even go real crazy. Look at that. Nuts. Nuts and crazy. I'll also make this one almost white, so it'll be like bright gray. Then, oh wait, whoops. Okay. I think I'm gonna run after I do this very exciting texture stuff. or like go for a walk and then be back for a little bit more. So I wonder what I should do after this. I guess I could continue working on this town area, or like do some interactions in here. I guess I could finish up the textures, but I don't want to. Filter noise. And I can't even tell the difference with the saturation, so now I'm going to do this. Wait, no. File, save as. This is now a created document. Wait, no. Side 2. Let's make sure this looks right. It does not. Why does it not look right? Is it not? It's not exported. Okay, cool. I don't know. How did I even export these then? If they weren't through this actual proper thing. There we go. Oh, wait. There we go. What do I have? One more? Then I can put it all together and then I can run around in the game and in real life. All right, let's do what do I need? I've fried my brain. Okay. Box, house, side 3, albedo. I'll just do it like this for now. Actually, let's make this one almost white. So it'll be, so this will be all roof stuff. And then, oh wait, I forgot to, this stuff is going to be part of this same material. So let's do, so that's this one. Perfect. And I'm assuming, oh, so this one exports for some reason. But it exports with the wrong settings. And then side 3 again. Oh yeah. We need to save this. Thank you for that. Okay. I wish when I pressed shift it would register it. But it seems like it's decided that half the time it does not register it. Okay. And then if I get rid of this, let's just do this again. There we go. So now we should have a side 3 here. And if I go 049, I can go to the random replace. And look at that. We have colors and colors and colors for days. So let's look at this in the game. I think I'm going to be in the wrong area though. Did the music stop? Oh, okay, I see. The game is dying, essentially. Okay, there we go. Here we are. So what we need now are some stairs, some glue bits to like some like padding bits to put these together. Stairs and walkways to each of these. So I think I'll just make some like prefabs of those. And just like glue them together or something. Game is dying. I like that. That's very cool. Thank you, game. Okay, so we're still getting random crashes occasionally, and also I really don't like how sometimes it just takes like 5 times longer to start the game. Like there, now it's mostly okay. And also those... Oh, I know why that's happening. That's because I unapplied the effect for those. But okay, now what I need to do is I'll go in a second pass, essentially, for the modeling, or the placement of these. Because if you were here for it, I essentially just got a bunch of boxcars and laid them out, and then randomly replaced them with these prefabs here. I like this white. Maybe I should, though maybe I'd need dust on them. Yeah, so I'll need to add dust and rust and things like that to make them a little bit dingier. And I'll certainly need to make this, because this is eventually going to be like a big military train that has all these cannons and stuff, and this is just like my cheap mock-up of it, assembled from my other train bits. But okay, so yeah, we'll need to finish up all these textures, get the windows in, get the doors in. It does feel like it's like an actual place that's under construction, like these were spray painted in, and like they're like some sort of like siding. You know, it feels like actual construction, which is funny. But yeah, soon these will actually be in place. And I forgot what I did for the other windows, which actually is probably a better idea, is to actually have the rounded rectangles. So that way there's a little bit more dimension, and it's less like I'm just using the paint bucket on this. But okay, this place is kind of nice. I think, yeah, let's do... What do I need? I'll need extra bits. So let's, Persephone's house. Fountains, power distribution, furniture, train yard things, boxes for bridges and detachable pieces. So I guess I'll replace this with, like, bits to attach boxes and reach doors areas. So some of these buildings should have like actual stuff inside of them. And I guess these should all be V3. Did I save? Maybe. I keep forgetting to. It should prompt you to save, but I haven't implemented that yet. But okay, I'm going to run around here a little bit more, because this is going to be the thumbnail for the video. Yeah, I think... I know what I'll do. in the corners of things, there'll be more dust. So yeah, I'll add... I don't know if that'll be today, or if that'll be in the near future, because I could do other things instead, because I have been doing a lot of just art assets. Oh wait, did I randomize the colors of these properly? I don't think some of these have random colors. Let's do... like... Because here... Is it because some of these don't have their, editable children? Thanks. Ah, yeah, some of these don't have this. I don't think. Yeah, these ones don't have editable children for some reason. But why do they not? Oh, there's like a lot of these that aren't editable. Hmm. Okay. And then... now they should all be different colors. So that may... yeah, now it should work. There we go. Now there's a bit more color here. And I appreciate that stutter that ate my frames and ate my roll jump. So a few of the next steps will be to make these, well, to fix my multi-mesh rendering. Because my multi-mesh component was buggy and just didn't work right. But that could be useful here, because then I could randomly select the colors for these as like instances of a multi-mesh. I'd have to make a new material, but that'd be okay. Because otherwise, I imagine this would be... well, I guess it wouldn't be super render heavy, but it is a bunch of draw calls and material changes. Okay, so let's do... finishing textures. So interior areas, finish textures. So this will be like finish box house textures. So it'll be dust, corners, wear and rust, ambient occlusion, windows and doors. See, because I could do some writing. I could do more of the tree tower stuff. Oh, I already have this here. Well, I'll mark that one done. I could do the Primordial V2. Better textures for the outfits. Waiting for the initial meeting room variation. Okay, I'm gonna close these up. I don't care about this one. Save that one. And this script actually, using this editor script worked really nicely, so I'll probably do that for all of my other things as well, because I used to have like my train textures, or whatever they were. Oh yeah, you could also have paint chips and things like that. Yeah, I think that'll be cool. Okay, but that's actually going to be it for now. So, thanks for stopping by, and sorry for calling it a day right when you were getting in here, Alex. But I should be back. Well, nah, I've been doing... Sundays are supposed to be like a half day on stream and then half day off stream. So what I'll do is I'll call it a day here. And I'll be back on, I think Monday or Tuesday? Yep. Yep, made a little bit of progress today. Got this place looking nicer than it was. So alright, I guess I'll see you guys later.